this video, we're going to be looking at how to connect an iPad to your smart notebook so you can create more interactive demonstrations as if you were using the smartboard in school. So when you open your smart notebook software, you might have an existing lesson open, you might be creating one from scratch. Either way, it works the same. You will make sure that you have downloaded an add-on called Notebook Maestro. So if I go to my add-ons, which is right here, and I open this toolbar up, you can see the add-ons that are available already. And then I have the Notebook Maestro. This must be downloaded and embedded into as an add-on into your software. That's a quick Google search, and it should be available, and maybe some updated versions already have it. Okay, from there, you're going to make sure that your iPad has the Smart Notebook app, of course. And then when you open that, you'll have a screen that looks like this. And in that screen, you'll click that top left button, and it says Connect to Smart Notebook Software. And what this opens up is just basically a camera that says Scan the QR code. Well, which QR code? That's what happens when you click the Notebook Maestro. So we click that to generate the code. Okay, I hold my iPad up. You probably can't see that, but that's what I'm doing right now. And when I get the connection, it automatically connects. It says connected to Aubrey's iPad. That's because it's my daughter's, and that's what's connected, the connected device. Okay, once I close out of this, I now am working this out from my my Apple Pencil or whatever device you might be using, and I will say, this is an important one. We'll make a star here. We're going to show that angle 3 and 4 are alternate interior angles. Okay, so we're going to put angle 3 and angle 4. I'm going to describe to the students maybe that the reason why this should be true is because of some of the angle postulates and things that we've already talked about. When you have different a parallelogram, the qualities of a parallelogram, one of the most important ones is that it is has two parallel sides. Okay, so in the same way, this is like two sides cut by a transversal. Okay, and what happens with that is that we have these alternate interior angles that would be congruent. So let's see that in action. I already have embedded here a protractor. This was what we were looking at when we had the static look and just a slide by slide. But now, if let me undo that. Now I'm able to take this protractor and actually move it around and do some things with it. Okay, I could do the same kinds of stuff with moving it to create different angles on to show angle 2 and angle 1 that they would be congruent, and so on. Okay, so as we cycle through, there might be key points that we want to highlight and create. I would not have written it like this if I had the option to have the pen, because I want to show the measures and the different notation a little better. And of course, I also wouldn't have written so sloppily. Angle 4 is congruent, is equal to 39 degrees. Okay, and I could have that a lot nicer. But that's it. That's how you connect it. That's how it all works. And you can create some great interactive lessons that could be your voice over your lesson for your students.